Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I would love to share with you my version of an apple beignet, right? So for that, of course we need apple, hello, right? So I have today this red delicious apple. You can use gala apple, what do I call it, pink lady, or kind of apple, easy. Then we need a butter. Right, for the butter, we start with this straight away. We're putting our milk in here, in a bowl. We're doing a little bit sugar, easy done. We're cracking 2 eggs in here. 1, 2, perfect, they're looking all good. Done, done, done. Okay. And then we gradually putting our flour in here and make a nice sort of smooth butter. Yeah. If you want to have your beignets later on a little bit more crisper, you can use maybe 1/3 of your milk. You can use as well beer if you want. Yeah. And now with this butter, we want to make sure it's quite a sort of thick sort of dough, because this one has to be later on nicely glued onto your apple slices, right? Okay, and we need more. I can see this already. Yeah, let's put it all in. Okay, got that one sorted. Yeah, and make sure you definitely stir it nicely through it, so you don't have any lumps in there. Yeah? You don't want that to happen. Yeah, this looks good. I can see it already. Look at that. Yeah, sort of a nice, beautiful batter. Okay, we got our batter done. Easy. We leave this on the side. We do quickly our apple. Apple, again, very simple. We peel this one. Now, if you are fortunate enough and you're having an apple corer at home, right? So then you take your apple corer and core your apple kernels out, right? I don't have an apple corer, so today what I will do is I will first slice my apple, slices, yeah. So for our apple beignets, say, give it a 1 centimeter thickness, yeah, without taking the ruler, right? And then we slice nice apple slices all the way. When you slice this one, have a thin knife blade, right? Not the thick one, otherwise you break the slices, yeah. So here we go, that's 1. How many we do today? Maybe 3, 4. So okay, we have our slices. I have this cutters here, so I just take one out of this one and I cut nicely the core out of the apple slice. Look at that. Perfect, right? So that's what we want. Yeah, I do this one more time. Easy done. 1, 2, 3. And no, you do not need to put these apple slices in a lemon water, because we straight away taking these 3 slices and putting them in our butter. Okay, put that one here. So easy, easy, zack, zack, zack. Now we're coming to the stove already, right? We're coming over here where we have obviously already our hot oil, to make sure it is obviously has the right temperature. We're checking the probe. Hold on a second. So we need around 180 degrees. Oh look, this has 190 or 200, this is nearly too much. Okay, let's put this a little bit down. So what we're doing now is we're taking the apple slices and putting them in here. I have chopsticks, you can use a fork, yeah, whatever you like. so my oil I turned completely off because soon I put the apple slices in, it will cool down. Yeah, so have a look in this bowl here. So now you can see the apple slice nicely coated in our batter. Yeah. So what we're doing now is let it drip off a little bit. Yeah, now it's good. And now we're putting them in our nice hot oil. We put one more slice in here, 100%. Same process, right? Put it in here. Yeah. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, just fitting in here nicely. Yeah, obviously we cannot put too much in there. Yeah, so here we go. Alright, so we have all 3 in here. Now, very important, sort of, obviously we turn them always around a little bit, right? Occasionally. This goes fairly quickly, 3 minutes. Yeah. You see it already how nicely they come. Yeah, but they're not baked yet, so they need a little bit of time. Okay, have a look. Now they're having a nice golden brown color. They're 3 minutes in our oil. That's how I like them, right? So we take them now out and put them just quickly on a kitchen paper to drain off any excess oil, right? So here. And please be mindful, always put your oil straight away on the side. Yeah, does not continue heating up and suddenly you engulf in fire there. Okay, I'm coming. Now we're coming over here. Not quite ready yet. While they are warm, we're tossing them in the cinnamon sugar here, right? Look at this. Yeah, nice. Nice, 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 beautiful. Okay, number 1, good. Number 2, all right. Okay, and number 3. Now nicely covered in our cinnamon sugar. A little bit presentation. Okay, here we go. We just have a little bit of plate. What we're doing here is put a little bit of snowflakes on here, ha 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 ha, yeah. And then, we're putting our beautiful apple beignet over here, zack, zack, zack. And they, as always, going very well with some, hazelnut ice cream, vanilla ice cream, whatever you like. Yeah. So we're putting as well a nice vanilla ice cream with it. And yes, then we put a little bit of our beautiful garden mint with it. Yeah, so look at this, look at this, look at that. And if you want, you can sprinkle a little bit more of your cinnamon sugar on here. You can serve it as well with a vanilla sauce. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not only the kids' favorites. I think adults would like to have this occasionally as well. A simple thing. Apple beignet for you to enjoy. Thank you so much.